That concludes the customization of the Revit interface. Let me know if you have other creative ways by which you have customized your Revit interface in the comment section. After all, I can learn from you, and of course, the community can learn from you as well. Now that you have your user interface well customized, let's begin the project. Setting up a Revit project, fundamental principles. Levels. In Revit, level serves as a representation of the floor levels within your building. They are consistently parallel and possesses a defined height. Typically, you will establish the level for each story of your building, and additional levels may be designated for crucial elements such as the top of the foundation, top of the steel parapets, and so on. Essentially, any significant vertical location in your project can be denoted by a level. By default, at least one level must be present in a Revit file. How to create levels. Navigate to an elevation view. Click on the level icon under the Architecture tab. Ensure that Make Plan View is selected. Click once and drag in the direction you want to create the level. Repeat this process to create 3 more levels. It is possible to adjust the height of a level after you have created it. I will modify the height of the levels to 3 meters interval. Select level 1 and then adjust the elevation to 3 meters from the property window. Use the peak lines to easily create multiple levels. Let's do this by activating the level command and then select the peak line tool. Set the offset to 3 meters. Now create more levels, bringing the total number of levels to 12. Now let's rename 2 of the levels, designating them ground level and roof level. Select level 0 and rename it from the property panel. Confirm the renaming of the corresponding views when prompted. For level 12, click on the level name and rename it directly from the canvas. To align the level heads, click on the blue dot and drag the level head until they are aligned. You can see this by the ghosted line that shows that the levels are aligned. It is a good practice to align the levels, just so it makes the model looks good graphically.